Welcome. If you want to activate Google Assistant in your Xiaomi Mi 9T, at the first you have to go for your Google Assistant. So you have to open the Google application. You are able to find it in the Google folder. It's this one. Tap on the More, and then go for the settings. Tap on the Google Assistant. Scroll down and find General Settings. Tap on the switcher. Click Turn On, and as you can see, right now our Google Assistant is turned on, and we can easily use it by clicking and holding the home button. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!